Hey guys, Assalamualikum. Hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And I wish every one of you a very happy 2020 New Year. Guys, I know this is a very special occasion celebrating New Year, so I thought let's celebrate with some biryani recipe. Since my camel meat roast has got a wonderful response from you all, I'm so glad that I wanted to share my biryani recipe as well. So this is very simple, easy, delicious, and the best recipe for this occasion, guys. And for this recipe I'll be using in camel meat with bone, and bone camel meat contains a little extra salt in it, so please try avoid using too much of salt in the biryani. To this we'll be adding ginger garlic paste along with biryani masala, and ingredients in the description box below, guys, so please have a look at it. Red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. So as I told you earlier, I'm not going to add any salt at this point of time because my biryani masala already has enough salt in it, so I don't want to add more salt to it. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar, because my mama was saying that vinegar helps meat tender not only right but also it helps to give a best moisturized texture to your meat. So I will mix all these ingredients together with the gloves, guys. Wear on the gloves and then mix it. After 5 to 10 minutes of marination, we will add this to a pressure cooker. You can also use a pot, but I believe that pressure cookers are best to tenderize such tough meats, So we'll add 1 to 2 glasses of water, and this will take about 30 minutes in a medium flame or 15 to 20 whistles for sure. Once this is done, set this aside. Here I have half kg of India Gate Basmati rice. I'm going to soak this for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we'll need fried onions, 2 large chopped tomatoes, chopped mint leaves 1 cup, chopped coriander 1.5 cup, few green chilies, and 1 roughly chopped onion along with 1 lemon. Now we will be using fried onions, and this is fried earlier by me, and they are crispy golden brown. So bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, black peppercorn, hibiscus, nutmeg, clove, and black cardamom is a must for your garam masala. Okay, let me check on the meat. It's tendered. It looks the best. Okay, moving on next onto a nice clean pot. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil along with the garam masalas. If you want, you can add ghee also, but I avoid that right now. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Chopped coriander, mint, green chilies, and tomatoes. Just mix all this together and add biryani masala 2 to 3 teaspoons and red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Mix this. Again, I'm not adding salt because biryani masala has enough salt, so I feel we need not add more salt. Squeeze the lemon, mix it well, and here we are adding roughly chopped onion. You know why we are adding this? Because this is Ambur biryani special. I have seen somewhere people adding roughly chopped onion to it, so I felt let me try that for this recipe. So we'll just add roughly chopped onion and also fried onion, few fried onions, and mix it well, and add some yogurt around 1 cup. Give a mix. Close the lid and let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes in a medium flame because we want all the masalas to ooze out. Meanwhile, we will cook the rice also. We'll start cooking in the rice. Okay, here I'm adding, after 5 to 10 minutes, I'm adding in the cooked meat, the camel meat to it. And this is called akhni. Yeah, in Urdu we call this akhni. So once that's mixed, again, cook it for 5 to 10 minutes and check. Beautiful aroma. Now my rice is cooked 70%. I'm just adding all the rice. Gently tap it over, and before mixing it, I'll just add on the saffron water on top of the rice and mix the rice first on top, and then sprinkle a little bit of red food color because biryani looks nothing without the red food color. It's like, a bride without the jewels or makeup. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all. I know. Okay, I'm going to mix all this and then drizzle the ghee, 2 teaspoons of ghee, and some fried onions with some chopped green leaves, and then let this steam for 15 to 20 minutes on a tawa. Okay, for sure. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, It's ready, and I'm gonna serve this along with some raita. I will be sharing in the raita recipe also. Do have a look at it. And you all just watch and enjoy, and I'm going to eat and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is what my biryani is ready for the new year celebration. So share what is your new year celebration, and also what is your new year resolution. Many of us do take a resolution that we are going to have a healthy lifestyle for the year, but how many of us do really follow that? I don't know what I should say, but anyways guys, I really had fun time. Thank you for the entire year, the love and the support that you guys have shown me. I'm so happy. With the due respect, I am very happy to have you all as my viewers. So thank you once again, and wish you all a very happy new year. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.